Hey guys, what's up? In this video I will discuss about how to make money by Amazon affiliate marketing. The best way to make money on Amazon in 2021 is still through private label sales. So guys, Amazon Fulfilled by Amazon network, around 71% of all Amazon sellers run their business using private label method. What is private label method? Private label method is the process of manufacturing pre-existing item, putting your branding and logos on it and selling to it consumers. Sometimes it is referred to white labeling or brand creation. Target Ministries brand and Walmart's great value of two example of private brands. Thanks to FBA, Amazon able to deliver your product typically in 2 days or fewer. What you likely knows as Amazon Prime. This is how e-commerce business owner like you and can list good on Amazon and make money from the sales. Amazon makes private labeling even easier thanks to number of advantages. First, you can use a tool, a Jungle Scout, the all-in-one platform for selling on Amazon, to estimate the sales your product will make once it's Amazon. Next, easy to source and manufacture your product with the help of platform like Alibaba or Jungle Scouts. Finally, after you have created your product, you can sell it on Amazon using FBA. You don't not even have to ship your own orders. How much money you can make selling private label products on Amazon? Over half, 56% of private label sellers earn $5,000 per month in sales, and nearly two-thirds, 59%, have profit margins of 16%. Amazon private label sellers who more than a year of selling experience, 31%, have earned over 50,000 per month dollar. Publish your own books on Kindle Direct Publishing. Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing allow you to publish your own book on Amazon, and this is the second favorite way to make money on Amazon. Then again is addition of a digital format. You can print actual copies of your book to Amazon and you can publish on Amazon Direct Publishing. The only catch with this option that you usually need to write some what proficiently of order to find success through the it is possible to publish on two widely popular books volume to true name of the publishing game. How much money can I make right of KDP? Up to $40,000 per month. How can I learn how to make money on Amazon with KDP? While I don't know to any specific course I trust for teaching their particular method, I do trust Tim Ferriss. Sell wholesale good on Amazon. Similar to private label selling, wholesale involves purchasing bulk quantities of product to sell using Amazon FBA network. So guys, please like, share and subscribe our channel for get another videos from our channel. While wholesaling on Amazon have become difficult is the last few years, it is still a great way to earn money. Note that is a competitive than the private label mark who not the only one selling those products on Amazon. How can I learn make money on Amazon selling wholesale goods? By the way, you can probably know that the Amazon has its own delivery service, but did you know that you can join Amazon delivery fleets or drive? They might even pay $10,000 it get started. Amazon Flex program allows you to just that. All you have to do answer a quick questions, download their app, and if you are expected, you start make money online. So guys, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Fifth is one of the best, become a blogger. Even you wanted to start